Hey, I'm Chanel and today I am traveling alone and we are going to do a photo shoot with an invisible stranger. So if you don't have anyone to take your pictures, no problem. Here's how you can capture photos and make it look like someone else is taking them for you. So grab your 120cm invisible selfie stick and your 1x2 and let's get started. Mount the 1x2 on the 120cm invisible selfie stick and fully extend the selfie stick. Go to standard photo mode and set the self timer to 5 seconds. To take a photo, press the shutter button, compose your shot within 5 seconds, wait for the camera to take the picture, and repeat this process in different locations. To edit your photo, reframe the 360 photo to compose your shot. Use filters to add a color grade of your choice. To export the photo, tap Export, Export Reframed Photo, and that's it. And now you know how to capture photos with an invisible stranger. Share your photo using the hashtag 360photo and hashtag Insta360, and that's it. Thanks for watching.